Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to create a local user account in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Accounts from the left side list. Go to Family and Other Users. Go to Other Users. Click on Add Account. Click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter username. Enter the password. Re-enter the password. Set up 3 security questions. Click on Next. The new account has been added.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!